the batteries out here.
Okay, take the batteries out. You got them? Where are you putting them?
Put it in the trash.
Oh, put it in the trash. Okay.
The one getting the one.
Do you have new batteries?
Mommy has it.
Oh, okay. Here's some new batteries. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Put it back in.
Okay.
It works.
Does it work now?
Yeah.
Yay, it works now. Good job fixing that.